This video will walk you through replacing the fuse on your digital readout display unit. Always unplug the power cord from the unit before beginning. Set the display on a flat surface and turn over to reach the power supply. Use a flathead or small screwdriver to pry open the fuse holder from the power supply. A replacement fuse will be clipped onto the bottom of the fuse holder. Use only a 250-volt fuse, as using an incorrect fuse can present a safety hazard. Push the old fuse out of the holder. You can check the old fuse for gaps or blackening, or use a multimeter to check continuity. Insert the replacement fuse into the holder. Push the fuse holder back into the power supply, which should snap in once inserted all the way, and reconnect the power cord. Be sure to always turn off the power and wait 5 seconds before turning back on, as a premature startup can blow the fuse. Watch our other DRO videos to learn more about operating your digital readout display.